Hey guys, it's Nellie from Be Planner Happy, and I know in my last two videos I mentioned that I was going to show you guys my latest obsession, and I totally forgot to add that at the end of the video, so I figured I'd just do a separate video just about this because I find it so fun, so relaxing, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So I had gone to Sam's not that long ago and I saw this sticker by number, and you may not be new to this, but I'm totally new to it, but I thought it looked like fun, so I got them. And you guys, look at how pretty these are. These are stickers. You do like a sticker by number, right? So it's got the it's almost like a cross between coloring and a puzzle and playing with stickers. And I mean, that's like the best of three worlds, right? Because a lot of times I would sit down to color, but then you got to figure out what color you're going to use, and if you mess up, and I don't know, you have to be sitting just right. So anyway, I picked this up and I started doing it, and I totally got addicted to doing it. It is so relaxing, and I love the end result. It's so pretty. Look at these. And the company is called Brain Games. So after I got this one, I got one for me, one for my mom. She loves it too. I've been doing like one a night, or two or three, because once I start, it's like I don't want to stop. I just want to do like, oh, let me just do one more page. They're so cute. And it doesn't take that long to complete one. I mean, some of them are more intricate than others, but basically it's like this, and then you just find the corresponding page, and it's got the little numbers, so you just find the numbers on there and you stick it where it goes. And it's so fun. So anyway, I bought this one at Sam's, but then I went online to Amazon, and I found there's like a whole bunch of different ones, and they've got like a cat one, they've got animals, they've got ocean, motivation, faith, all kinds of different themed books. And I just thought right now with Mother's Day, a lot of times we don't know what to get our moms for Mother's Day. I got my mom a couple more just because she loves stickering just as much as I do. Ooh, I missed one. And so I just think they're fun, and I love it, and I'm slightly obsessed with doing these every night. So I just wanted to share it with you guys. Typically I'll tear out the page like that, and then I'll work on each one by itself. But it's so fun, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. I will link some in the description to make it easy for you guys to find on Amazon. And I hope that you'll try it, because let me tell you, if you like stickers and you like, creating pretty things, you will definitely like these. So, okay, bye. That was it. See you guys in the next video.